In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an order as a gift on Amazon. If you've ever wanted to surprise someone with a special delivery or just make your gift giving a little easier, Amazon has made it straightforward and convenient. So, let's dive right in and go through the steps together for a seamless gift-giving experience. First, start by browsing Amazon and selecting the items you'd like to purchase. From books and gadgets to clothing and more, Amazon's vast selection means you should have no trouble finding exactly what you're looking for. Add each item to your shopping cart as you browse. Make sure to double-check that you've chosen the correct sizes, colors, or any other item specifications before proceeding. Once you've added all your desired items to your cart, it's time to head to the checkout. Simply click on your cart and look for the Proceed to Checkout option. This will guide you to the next step in your purchasing process. Now here comes the exciting part: choosing gift options. On the checkout page, keep an eye out for the Gift Options section. This is your key to turning your order into a personalized gift. If it's available, select the option that indicates this order contains a gift. By doing this, you unlock several ways to make your gift more special. You might have the option to add a heartfelt gift message. This is a great chance to say something meaningful or fun to the recipient. Consider opting for gift wrapping if it's offered. Many items have this option available. It's a great way to add that extra touch without the hassle of wrapping it yourself. And don't forget about the gift receipt. Including this with your package allows the recipient to exchange items easily if needed, without any pricing details exposed. Next, enter the recipient's information. Carefully input their name and shipping address to ensure the package reaches its intended destination. It's a good practice to double-check this information to avoid any delivery mishaps. Finally, take a moment to review all the details of your order. This includes the items you're purchasing, any gift options you've selected, and, of course, the recipient's delivery information. Ensuring everything is correct here saves you time and frustration later. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, click Place Your Order to complete your purchase. And just like that, you've successfully sent a gift through Amazon. The recipient will soon receive a wonderful package, and you'll have made someone's day with just a few simple clicks. Thank you for joining me to learn how to send an order as a gift on Amazon. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more practical tips and tutorials. Happy gifting!